It's Thursday, the 12th of April, and this is Business Video Updates. In today's news, we cover the following video stories with tips, tactics, techniques and strategies from a few YouTube video marketing experts and a highly respected business leader. 1. Pinterest introduces a new follow feed. 2. How to drive Instagram traffic to your YouTube channel. 3. We have Christian LeBlanc of LeBlanc sharing some video equipment to take you to the next level. And finally, number 4, Jack Ma talks about how to grow an online business from a leader's perspective. Those stories are coming up right after this. This is issue 3 of Business Video Updates, where we summarise the most important news in the fast-moving worlds of video marketing, SEO and social media. Okay then, let's get started. News item number 1. Pinterest introduces a new follow feed. Pinterest has upgraded its follow feature to enable you to follow pins in a chronological order. Jennifer Priest of Smart Creative Social explains that one expected benefit is that you can start to generate followers by implementing a number of tactics such as embedding boards in blog posts, sharing your link in other social media accounts, and showing your link in newsletters and emails. And those same followers may well be interested in subscribing to your YouTube channel via a strategically placed call to action. Full details can be obtained by clicking the View More button in the attachment, which you can find in the description box below this video. News item number 2. How to drive Instagram traffic to your YouTube channel. Peg Fitzpatrick, a top social media blogger, gives some great tips on how to take advantage of using video on Instagram to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Videos can be shown on Instagram as 1. A post, 2. as a carousel post, 3 as live video, and 4 as part of stories. So what are you waiting for? Full details can be obtained by clicking on the View More button in the attachment, which you'll find underneath this video. News item number 3. Video equipment to take you to the next level. Cody Smith of Stage Fight Club would like to see, what equipment do I need to get my videos to the next level? We're not sure at what level you're at as of now, Cody. So here's Christian LeBlanc of LeBlanc fame, who shows you how to literally do this. Check out the video and enjoy. To access the video, just click the View More button in the attachment, which you'll find in the description box underneath this video. News item number 4. How to grow an online business from a leader's perspective. Another Business Video Updates follower, Tyler White, wants to know how to grow a business from a leader's perspective. That's a great shout, Tyler. Here's Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba, giving his take on that very subject. Just click the View More button in the attachment, which you'll find in the description box underneath this video, for a fascinating insight into one of today's top business leaders. Okay, so that's what's been happening this week in the world of video marketing, SEO and social media. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe link to the Video Cashflow channel, which you'll find at the bottom of this video, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments presented in Business Video Updates to keep you and your business on the leading edge of digital marketing. And if you enjoyed this edition of Business Video Updates, please hit the like and share buttons. We'd really appreciate that. And if you're still watching and want more, check out last week's Business Video Updates, which you'll find on the end screens towards the end of this video. Until next time, give it your all. Bye for now.